Hey, I'm Diana, and I want to share some important things to know about this tablet that I didn't know when I initially ordered it, is that it's pre-programmed specific to Amazon, which is great in some applications because maybe you just want your mom or your dad, your elderly parents, just to be able to go shop on Amazon and use this, and they don't have a lot of different options. Not to say that there are not a lot of options on here, there definitely are. But in my world, I want to be able to access the Play Store and download some of my Android apps. And you need to know this. If that's what you like, this does not come with the Play Store, and it's not easily to download. It's not Chrome, it's not Play Store or Safari, none of that. You have to go on YouTube and find those workarounds to add it to this, but it's possible. You just need to install some things and upload them to the right spot to be able to make this work. Now that I have that all loaded, it's brilliant. A couple other key features of this that make this great is it does have a nice 1080 pixel HD display. The screen is big. It's like 10.1 inches, much bigger than my tiny little cell phone. My eyes aren't straining anymore. You do have 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and it's expandable to 1 terabyte when you insert a little micro SD card. It does have a 32-hour battery life, so it's going to take you through the day, no problem. Recharge it at night. It does have a rear and a front camera, so if you want to do those FaceTimes or you want to take pictures with it, you definitely can. And then you can order an Amazon stylus for this, so you can write right on the screen. Now, because of the price, it makes it a great option for the little kids. And you can get some parental controls added so they're limited on where they can go and keep it really safe. So definitely check this out. I'm really happy about it. I'm excited to use it, and I think it's well worth it.